welcome the last two competitors and their judge, Arnon, CEO at InNegev Incubator. Please welcome Yossi Levi, CEO of Todos.
Hello, my name is Yossi Levi and I'm the CEO of Todos Technologies. I'd like to thank the organizers for this opportunity to present Todos Technologies and the future of food sensing. In this presentation, I would like to introduce our new GMOS gas sensor, which is a game-changing, highly selective, low-power and low-cost gas sensor for fruit freshness monitoring and food waste reduction. The Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that each year, approximately 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption in the world is lost or wasted. It affects our economy, it affects the emission of CO2, methane, and other gases, and increases the pollution of our atmosphere. Now, if we can reduce the food waste, we can reduce air pollution, water consumption, and save money, a lot of money. How can we reduce the food waste? By sensing ethylene. Some fruits, such as avocado, tomato, bananas, and more, produce this phytohormone called ethylene, which starts and accelerates the ripening process. It affects the producing fruit, but also other fruits around, causing them to ripen faster. So if we can monitor the ethylene, we would know the best timing to market the fruits, consume them, or shift it into other industry directions. As for now, there is ethylene monitoring only in the cold storage and ripening rooms, but with just one expensive sensor that can't give a good resolution of the different areas of the room. If we can add sensors to the cold storage and also to the shipping part, we would know the fruit's condition throughout all the supply chain and save a lot of money. The problem is that the current commercial sensors are not sensitive enough, not selective enough, and the accurate ones are too expensive for broad commercial use. Our sensor answers all of the requirements. It has high sensitivity and can detect low ethylene concentrations at ppb level. High selectivity, we can detect just the ethylene and ignore other interfering gases at low power consumption and can work on batteries for years and at low cost. We are offering our solution in two stages. In the first is an alarm that will give the stakeholder the guarantee that this package or several packages were not exposed to high level of ethylene that will induce the ripening process. And if it passes this level, the user should direct the fruits into a different path, such as jam making, dried fruits. At our second stage, we will use all the gathered data to analyze and use an AI engine to predict the specific shelf life of each fruit package. Ethylene sensor is our first product, but we are aiming to use this technology for other gas sensing applications, such as acetone, ethanol, CO, and other air quality sensors. This is a new world. Until now, we talked about the taste, color, flavor of fruits, and now with our GMOS gas sensor, we can enter the data era and know the specific gases emission from our fruits and vegetables. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your great presentation. Your business model is quite clear, and the main missing information is around the product technology. So what is the innovation technology-wise, and is it patentable? Do you have a PCT? And what are the technological market barriers to prevent competitors from reaching the same level of solution?
Okay, thanks for this question. Our product actually is defended by more than 16 patents. We invented a new type of infrared sensor, and this sensor is just one part of our portfolio of applications and use cases. And therefore, it is very defendable, highly defendable. And one of the unique selling points, or one of the differences between our sensor and all the other technologies for this application, is the ability to have the high selectivity. We are the only ones in this low price region that can offer this high selectivity and the ability to detect just ethylene or just ethanol, which is also important for agriculture application, and all our competitors are not able to do it.
So my next question would be, what is your level of accuracy, or to what extent are you sensitive for false positive alerts, and what level of reliable answers can you provide and promise to customers?
Okay, thanks for this question. The level of accuracy in lab test is 98, almost 99% of accuracy. And this is why this technology is so different than all the others. In the field test that we just started now, we see that we are reaching above 95% of accuracy, and the main interfering gas is ethanol, and we have the benefit because we are sensing in one small tiny sensor ethanol, one small tiny sensor together ethylene, and we can differentiate between those two gases in order to reach this high accuracy level.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yossi. Everyone, it is time to vote.